Chemical bonding. Chemical compounds are formed by the joining of two or more atoms. A stable compound occurs when the total energy of the combination has lower energy than the separated atoms. The bound state implies a net attractive force between the atoms. Two types of extreme cases of chemical bonds. Covalent bond in which one or more pairs of electrons are shared by two atoms. Ionic bond in which one or more electrons from one atom are removed and attached to another atom, resulting in positive and negative ions which attract each other. Other types of bonds include metallic bonds and hydrogen bonding. The attractive forces between molecules in a liquid can be characterized as van der Waals bond. Covalent bonds. Covalent chemical bonds involve the sharing of a pair of valence electrons by two atoms, in contrast to the transfer of electrons in ionic bonds. Such bonds lead to stable molecules if they share electrons in such a way as to create a noble gas configuration. The halogens such as chlorine also exist as diatomic gases by forming covalent bonds. The nitrogen and oxygen, which makes up the bulk of the atmosphere, also exhibits covalent bonding in forming diatomic molecules. Polar covalent bonds. Covalent bonds in which the sharing of the electron pair is unequal, with the electrons spending more time around the more non-metallic atom, are called polar covalent bonds. Ionic bonds. In the extreme case where one or more atoms lose electrons and other atoms gain them in order to produce a noble gas electron configuration, the bond is called an ionic bond. Typical of ionic bonds are those in the alkali halides such as sodium chloride. Metallic bonds. The properties of metals suggest that their atoms possess strong bonds, yet the ease of conduction of heat and electricity suggests that electrons can move freely in all directions in a metal. Metal properties. The general properties of metals include malleability and ductility, and most are strong and durable. The strength indicates that the atoms are difficult to separate, but malleability and ductility suggest that the atoms are relatively easy to move in various directions. Hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding differs from other uses of the word bond, since it is a force of attraction between a hydrogen atom in one molecule and a small atom of high electronegativity in another molecule.